Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Let's learn colors. Pink color, dark green color, dark blue color, grey color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, yellow color, black color, red color. Let's start today's video.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone,
Here I draw a yummy ice cream. Let's start coloring. It's a red color. It's green color. It's a baby pink color.
twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle,
Yellow color.
little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle,
Sky blue color.
star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
For more such video, kindly subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.